Welcome everyone at swissQprint headquarters here in Switzerland. My name is Kilian Hintermann and I am the CEO of swissQprint. We have some great new product developments for you today. So let's walk inside and have a look. For our tribal launch, we will present to you today the speed model of our roll-to-roll printer called Caribou US, the new and unique automatic double-sided printing option for our roll-to-roll printers, and last, our new neon UV inks for flatbed and roll-to-roll printers. Please be inspired by neon meets UV. Let's start with some speeds. Our new Caribou US. So please, Adriano.
Thank you, Kilian, and good day, everyone. I'm Adriano, Key Account Manager here at swissQprint. We're here in one of our production halls, and today I'd like to welcome you to the launch of the Caribou S. If you know us from the flatbed range, you know what S stands for, speed. And yes, the Caribou S comes with ample speed, but not just. Let's figure it out. Speed is of the essence in this day and age, no doubt. But to compete in this ever-changing market, you need to be flexible, offer great quality, and have your cost under control. And that sums up the Caribou S. This dedicated UV roll-to-roll printer offers a maximum width of 3.4 meters and can take rolls of up to 200 kilograms. Dedicated to speed, it uses 16 of maximum 18 print heads for CMYK, resulting in a top speed of 330 square meters an hour. And yes, that quality is sellable. The printer is equipped with a simple but intuitive software and has inherited the well-known and much-loved swissQprint DNA. In the next few minutes, I'd like to give you an overview on the capabilities of this machine. We will be printing on various print modes and on different materials. Our sophisticated ink allows you to print on all sorts of different substrates. Paper, banner, mesh, self-adhesive vinyl, polypropylene or fabrics. You name it, the Caribou S prints them all. But first, let me take you to the back of the machine. We're currently printing on a poster paper in our billboard quality mode. A great combination of speed and quality, and with a solid 110 square meters an hour, you get your jobs done quickly. Back and front, we're using carbon shafts for even winding of the rolls. Our sophisticated web tension system enables smooth tracking of the material, and the tip switch vacuum keeps it in place. All in all, resulting in accurate dot placement, sharp edges, 2-point fonts, fine lines, and just no fuzzy prints. But let's see what it can do for speed. Running at 330 square meters an hour, the Caribou S offers impressive quality. See for yourself. Did I promise too much? As I said, speed is of the essence and the Caribou S delivers. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now set to print in high quality mode. Same printer, same ink, yet very different application. No matter if you print onto self-adhesive vinyl, backlit film or textiles, you'll be set to succeed. Thanks to the integrated light box, your quality control is on your fingertip. And thanks to swissQprint ingenuity, only the width of the material gets illuminated. The Caribou S can not only print fast, but with impressive sharpness and density. But how can you print onto porous textile or mesh? On the Caribou S, that is simple. We only have to move the gantry to the so-called mesh position, and there's nothing else to set up. We now can print over the two collector papers that act as ink waste absorbers. Print your textiles, print your mesh, or pre-cut rolls such as wallpaper, vinyls, or magnet film in full bleed. And if you think that printing on the mesh position leads to a messy machine afterwards, well, think again. The two paper bands have taken care of the excess ink. It's simple, it's clean, it's swissQprint. What about safety? Our light beam sensors front and back are there to protect the operator. As soon as we engage the light beam, the carriage slows down but keeps on printing. If I step away, the carriage resumes at normal speed again. But hey, there is more to our four horns. They also let you know the status of the machine and tell you how far the job has progressed. A simple but handy feature. I mentioned flexibility already. Yes, it means you can print so many different jobs with the one machine. But flexibility is also required of our ink. And that's another criteria where the Caribou S excels. No point in having a fast machine if you can't easily process your jobs later on. Slicing, cutting, eyeletting, or adding silicone rubber edge, it's all easy with our ink. UV and flexible is a problem? Let me show you something. This is a textile print of the Caribou S. Not exactly the post-treatment you would apply to any of your jobs, I believe. But it simply shows how flexible the ink is. And if you add 2 print heads of white, you can print onto colored materials or do funky stuff like multi-layer applications, such as this one. One message to the outside, one message to the inside, all printed on the Caribou S. And hey, the ink comes with all the necessary ratings, is NVC-free and Green Guard Gold certified. Often, jobs require different material, and hence fast roll changes are important. With the integrated cutting channel, you're ready for your next job in no time. Whilst we're setting up the machine again, I'd like to invite you to watch a video on the latest option of the Caribou series. It requires the camera that is set up in our light box. Ladies and gentlemen, another highlight of today's launch day: automatic double-sided printing.
Automatic double-sided production, the clever option for the swissQprint Caribou model range. Supported by Lori, the swissQprint output software. It makes life easier for the operator, the assignment of the images, the orientation of the print position, and the alignment of the images. Everything is correct and accurate. Key to the process are QR codes printed with the images and an integrated high-resolution camera to read them. No matter if you rewind the roll after printing of the front pages or if you simply insert it in reverse direction, the system will handle any situation. Thanks to the QR codes, it knows exactly where and how to place every single image until the whole job is completed. With perfectly aligned front and back sides, for perfect block-out banners, suspended signs, stretch banners and posters.
Welcome back. Isn't it a neat system? Double-sided printing has never been easier. In the meantime, we have set up the printer for dual roll printing. Are you printing a lot of self-adhesive vinyl or roll-up banners? If so, the dual roll option is your answer. You can load 2 small rolls side by side for extra capacity. The rolls are on individually controlled shafts, making the handling easy. And if you want to print cut-to-size wallpaper, just move the gantry to the mesh position and print in full bleed. Dual roll printing, versatility that gets you ahead of the game. Besides everything, the Caribou S is extremely low in its energy consumption. It uses less than 3 kilowatts per hour, making sure that your carbon footprint remains as small as possible. In comparison, a Tesla drives 16 kilometers with that power. We print more than 300 square meters. Last but not least, what makes the Caribou S a true champion? Next to the superb print speed and the fantastic ink, in my humble opinion, it is a reliability factor. The printer has a rock-solid foundation and is made for 24/7 production. As with every SwissQprint, you hardly face any breakdowns, and that really maximizes your uptime. There are not many consumable items, there's no expensive maintenance contract, and with an investment horizon of way beyond 5 years, the Caribou S attracts with a very low total cost of ownership. To sum up, the Caribou S offers impressive speed and quality. It lets you move your limits. And with that, I'd like to hand over to Carmen, who's going to present you a world premiere. Carmen?
Thank you, Adriano, and welcome to the SwissQprint showroom. I'm Carmen, Chief Sales and Marketing Officer here at SwissQprint, and also for me, it's a great pleasure to be here with you today. What we will see next is our third news for today, and it's a world premiere. It has never been seen on our UV large format printers before. It's completely dazzling, and it will open up new possibilities for you. Differentiate yourself with our new neon inks. Get a first impression. Now let's have a look at our new neon inks on the SwissQprint Impala. Today we are actually introducing 2 new inks, neon yellow and neon pink. The combination of these 2 inks results in an additional neon color, neon orange. All 3 colors can also be combined with the other inks on our machines, resulting in an endless number of indoor application possibilities. Event and theme park posters, signposts, ceiling hangers, trade fair stands, to just name a few. These inks have been specially developed for our flatbed and roll-to-roll machines. Hence, they can be used both on rigid and flexible media. Let's have a look at the media diversity. Look at this sales sign, printed on a core flute, or this event poster on a cardboard. On the flexible side, we have a PET film printed as a 2-layer print, white in the back and the color layer on top. In addition, here a self-adhesive vinyl. And one really additional cool thing is a neon sample on a cutout PMMA. When holding this in the right angle, the cutout sides start glowing. These are, of course, only a few medias that we show you today. Let us know what you would like to do with our new neon inks and get your own samples today. At the end of this presentation, you will see how to get in touch with us. Let's move back to our machine and see how easily such neon campaigns can be printed on it. Just set the registration pins that are located in the front and in the back side of the machine and start printing your job. With the tandem functionality, non-stop printing becomes reality, and it is a standard on all flatbed machines. While one of the sides are printing like we do at the moment in the back, the other side can be loaded. No idle time, highest productivity. While the machine finishes the tandem campaign, we have one more surprise for you. See for yourself.
The swissQprint neon colors are not just very bright in daylight, but they are fluorescent and therefore glow under blacklight. This brings an additional wow effect to your event. swissQprint neon inks. Messages that can't be missed in daylight and blacklight.
Are you ready for the neon revolution? All the swissQprint machines can be equipped with up to 9 color channels. Next to the light colors, white, varnish, primer and orange, now also with our neon yellow and our neon pink. And the best about it, it's upgradable later on. Neon meets UV, the world novelty in UV large format printing. Differentiate yourself with this addition to the swissQprint portfolio. Book your demo now and get your own sample, either of the Neon or the Caribou S. We are happy to give you more information. Back to you, Killian.
Thank you again for joining us today for our tribal launch. I hope we inspired you with the Caribou S, the automatic double-sided printing option, and the neon UV inks. Please get in touch with us. I look forward to seeing you soon in person. Stay safe and have a great rest of your day.